Dirty Wine. How you doing? My name is Jamaican. Shout out Jamaica has something to tell you. It's a little bit about a contest. Here you go. Bang!
Wagwan, YouTuber, guess what? I'm doing a contest. Hey, Dirty Wine, my girl. I can't really dance that much, but guess what? Me, I do a contest. Alright, are you ready for the contest? Una ready? Una ready? Let's go. Hey, Dirty Wine, my girl. Dirty Wine. Bend your head and lift your back up. Hi, YouTubers. Guess what? I'm doing a contest. As you guys know, I'm going to Jamaica. I'm super excited. Y'all want to know what the contest is? Do y'all really want to know? Do y'all really want to know? Okay, the contest is basically everything that I've taught you guys so far in my basic on how to speak Jamaican, patwa 1 and 2. And you guys see my chatting patwa when I went to the festival. What I want you guys to do, make a video speaking basically the things that I taught you. You don't have to use all the words. You can just use some of the words, which is fine. Make sentences. Be creative with it, right? And then at the end of the video, all I request is for y'all to show your personality. Do some form of Jamaican dance, even if you just know how to do this. What is this called again? Sean Paul. I don't even remember what it's called again, because just me all over the place. But just make sure the video show how to speak the Jamaican patwa and what you guys learn. And at the end, I just want you to show your personality, do a little dance, and just be yourself. Because being yourself is who you are, you know. And I just want to give a big shout out to you guys for watching my channel. I really, truly love you guys. So what's going to happen is I'm going to pick 2 winners, a male winner and a female winner. When I go to Jamaica, I'm going to buy different souvenirs and then I'm going to ship it to you guys' address. So a male and a female winner. I will have people voting and judging to see who is the best. Obviously, everybody's a winner, but there's going to be 2 that stand out. 1 male and 1 female. So I hope you guys ready. Get ready. We'll speak the Jamaican patwa. Make sure you do all you can do now. Speak everything and make sure it's good and nice, you know. No matter how you do it, long as you try, that's all that matters in my eyes, you know. And just do a little personality. Like, come here, have a little personality. Dirty Wine, my girl. Dirty Wine. Hey. Alright, guys. That's it. Love you guys. YouTuber, we cannot wait to see you guys.
We cannot wait
to see you guys
in the future.
So make sure your YouTube video for the contest look good.
And give it your best.
Your best chance is better. Me can't wait. Girl and boy, you better ready. Make sure you're a rude boy and rude girl. Do the best dance you can do.
And for other shatters out there, the shatters better do it well. Do it well.
And make sure you learn and read and do everything when me tell you to do in the video.
And make sure you pray to Jah first, because you don't want to mess up.
Don't worry, don't listen to what him a say, because you're not going to mess up. Long as you try, that's all that matters.
And Jah has your back.
Yes, he do. Jah bless all the time. Me give the big up to Jah.
Jah bless.
Yes. You know what? Nobody know why here. You me speak patwa?
Me don't know how to speak patwa. All me know is about the shatters. The shatters. You know, me youth. You know, back in my day, you know, when we was little me youth, me.
Exactly. Me not understand what me about.
Me not even know where me youth are. You know what? I speak patwa real good. She speak patwa real good. Me alright.
It ain't cool. You see it ain't cool. But me not understand what I just say. It just sound like English and nothing else. Yeah, nothing else.
Me and a true Jamaican and dada.
Alright, guys.
From the east side of Jamaica. Free me born right here in me states.
In my African galang, African man this right there. So I'm not even an ounce of Jamaican in my
me no African man. Me straight born, bred and
what a bomb, Jamaica. Me understand what I'm saying. My
Jamaican from Montego Bay of the Islands.
Big up to Montego Bay, big up to Portmore, big up to Spanish Town, big up to St. Thomas, big up to everybody, big up to London, big up to United States, big up everybody on my YouTube. I love you, know.
I want to shout out to all my peoples in Jamaica. I want to shout out to my grandma in Jamaica. She just be holding down that shop. My grandma, me love you. Me love you, grandma. Me want to shout out my grandpa from Jamaica. He also from St. Troy. Without him, me youth, me won't be here. Me also want to give a shout out to all the dogs and the cats on the streets.
That's enough. Too much chatter. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel and make sure you obviously do the channel do the contest, and then we'll pick our winner. Maybe this one over here so we'll judge too, but make sure you do the contest and then subscribe and like. I hope you enjoy my channel. Love you, way me can't wait to pick our winner, you know. Love you, one love. Yeah, me want to sing a song for them. One love.
Me don't have any songs to sing.
Come on, you can't sing One Love at all?
What's one love?
Just say one love. Jah bless me. Ooh. Sing it for me now.
One love. Me hope that Jah will bless you. And then if he bless you, me hope for winner one love.